Hello and welcome to the Photo Backup Stick video tutorial series. In this video we're going to show you how to view and edit photos using the Windows app. The Windows app has a photo viewer and editor called Phone2Frame, which is designed to allow you to edit your photos so they will fit perfectly on a frame such as a TV or a digital frame. We have our own digital frame called Phone2Frame, and it's great for editing your photos so they will appear the way you want them to in your digital frame. So once you have backed up all your devices, we can open up the photo viewer here. So back on the main screen on the Photo Backup Stick app for Windows, click on Photo Viewer, and you'll notice here that we're not seeing anything yet. So to view your photos, we can click on the plus sign to show all the backed up devices, or we can actually just highlight the top level folder here, and that will show us all the photos on all the backups on the device. And you can go through there and view them. You can sort them how you want by either old to new, new to old, small to large, or large to small. And that's how you can view your photos. Now, if you want to delete some of them, you can go through and you can see here that we've got two photos of the same thing. They're not quite exact duplicates. They're just photos in succession. We've got a couple sets of those. So I'm going to go ahead and, I like this one over here better. So I'm going to select that one and select that one to delete, and then click the delete button. It's going to ask you if you want to really delete your files. Click yes, and that's how you can remove unwanted photos from your backup. Now, if we want to edit photos so they will fit better in your screen, or maybe they're rotated, like you can see this one's rotated wrong, this one's rotated wrong, we can select multiple files here and click the edit button. Or we can actually select all, which is easier if we want to edit all the photos so they fit properly, and click edit. Now you'll notice here that the editing screen has this black frame all the way around it. This represents the edges of your TV or the photo frame. And if you've ever seen photo frames, you'll see that a lot of times they'll have this blank area on the sides of the photos if they don't fit exactly. What we want to do is we want to eliminate that. So to eliminate that, we can increase the size and position it exactly the way we want. And once we're done doing that, we can crop it by hitting the save button. Now it's going to ask us if we really want to save it, because it's going to replace the original photo on the stick. And if we really want to replace our photo with the one we just edited, we click OK. And you'll notice that it also asks you if you want to stop seeing that message. So if you're editing a lot of photos, you'll probably want to do that. Now you'll notice this one's upside down, so we can come up here and hit the rotate buttons until it appears the way we want. We can resize it and then hit save and go on to the next one. You can do that until you have edited all your photos so they fit into your frame exactly the way you want. And that's how we edit our photos using the photo editor. It is a great tool for getting your photos to be able to fit properly to display on any screen that is a 16:9 aspect ratio. Thanks for joining me today. Please visit our site for our other tutorial videos. Have a great day.